it's so windy. Jack's kite, oh, what a noise! It sounds like the wind in a ship's sail. I hope my awning doesn't blow away. Right, got the clips. Ah, no, too late! Help!
Help, did you say? I'm here, Rudi. Tell me what to do.
Raymond, grab the middle of the awning and pull!
Blow! Blow the winter wind!
Oh, thanks, Raymond. Oh, I don't know what I'd have done without you. That was definitely a two-man job.
No probs. Mustache. I can't be late for my morning shift on the train.
Aye, it doesn't pay to keep customers waiting. Oh, I hope Jack's kite survives the wind.
I love to skip in Riverseafingal by the sea. I love to skip in Riverseafingal, that's for me.
Oh, there we are, darling. Bye-bye. Oh.
Bye.
Oh, I wish I was a fly in the wall to see Jack at nursery.
I'm dreaming of you, Daddy.
Morning, Rudi.
Oh, hi, Bobby.
Oh, hey. Got it.
What?
Well, one of your paper bags. It was flying off in the wind.
Oh, no.
Oh, there goes another. Oh, quick, Rudi, find something heavy to weigh them down.
Try one of them turnips over there. Oh, hey, that's a turnip for the books, isn't it? Oh, thanks for rescuing my paper bags, Bobby.
That's okay. I quite enjoyed the exercise. Bye.
Bye, Bobs.